Today we are reviewing the Yogi dies, and we have the girls here, and we're going to be doing yoga, different poses. There are 12 cards in there with 24 movements. So this is the box. This is a good gift to give someone. Very simple. So we have all these dies. We do have the time dies to know how many times we got to do the poses, and we do have the instructions right here of different poses that you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to play different games. We're going to do a timed one and just instruction one. So we're going to roll to the elephant right there. We're going to do elephant 4 times. Stand firm on both feet, okay, and then arms up in the air. Yeah, hands joined together. Now touch in a prayer. Good job. You guys are doing good. Then sway down from your hip. Down from your hip as if you want to let yourself drop. And have fun. Okay. Woo! Can you make elephant sound? This dice game is a great way to introduce your child to yoga and make it fun to engage your child in exercising. Using this yoga dice and also the time dice will develop their yoga routine and also help them have fun with them and their friends and the family in general. It also teaches counting, it teaches motor skills, it teaches kindness, signs of the body, and calmness. We really love this, and this was so much fun.